In this video, I will show you how to scan an Instagram QR code. A QR code is a special type of barcode that you can scan using your smartphone to quickly open a profile or access a link. First, open the Instagram app on your device. Next, go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon located at the bottom, right corner of the screen. Once you're on your profile page, look for the Share Profile button. When you tap on this option, your unique Instagram QR code will appear. You can share it with others directly or download it to use later. Now, look toward the top right corner of the screen, where you'll see an icon that looks like a square with dots inside it. Tap on this icon and, if asked, allow camera access so Instagram can use your device's camera to scan QR codes. After granting camera access, point your device's camera at the QR code you want to scan. Make sure the entire QR code is visible within the frame. Instagram will automatically detect the code and open the associated profile or information.